Hello, thank you for joining us for Retro Early Jesus Songs. This one may not be exactly a Jesus song, but many people, it resonated with many people of culture. I was a young man of 21 at the time in 1979 when it was penned by England Dan and John Ford Coley. Why don't you take a listen and look at the words? Very much right in line with a good message to us today. Here we go. 1879, England Dan and John Ford Coley. Hey, they didn't write for CCM, and I don't remember them putting anything out for Myrrh Records or any of the solid rock or Christian albums of the time. But I tell you what, it's a pretty good message. Who is the light of the world? That's Jesus. Who is love embodied? That's Jesus. And if you look at the words that I'll post in a bit, you will see it's a pretty good song. So, a blast from the past, unexpected, but I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, you're not going to listen to this music just anywhere, so I'm glad you tuned in. Join us daily, hit subscribe, never know what's going to happen. Till then, Lord keeping me around and Lord keeping you around. I look forward to seeing you the next time. Till then, God bless.